Hello, fellow gardeners. Today, let's talk about compost, the garden's secret weapon. Many people think composting is hard work, but it doesn't have to be. Forget the image of heavy piles and special tools. Composting can be simple and almost effortless. Think about a forest. Leaves fall, plants die, and no one turns the pile. Nature just takes its time. We can copy this slow, easy process at home. This is the lazy gardener's method, perfect for anyone, no matter your experience or energy level. The goal? Work with nature, not against it. Set up a simple system, then let it be. Your kitchen scraps and yard waste will turn into garden gold with almost no effort. You're turning trash into treasure for your plants. Forget complicated rules and heavy lifting. Embrace a patient, simple approach. You already have everything you need to start. Your garden and your back will thank you. Let's make the best plant food for free, using nature's oldest method. Ready to start? Let's go. Traditional composting, hot composting, sounds exhausting. Weekly turning, perfect ratios, and constant monitoring? No thanks. The heavy lifting and confusing rules make people quit before they see results. Worrying about greens and browns or creating bad smells turns composting into a chore. Many give up, tossing scraps in the trash to avoid the hassle. But you don't need to follow these strict methods. The lazy method skips the hard work, strict measuring, and smelly messes. No heavy turning, no stress, just a simple set-it-and-forget-it system. Composting can be easy for everyone. Let's set up your lazy compost pile. Pick a shady spot that's easy to reach from your kitchen. No fancy bin needed. Use wire fencing, old pallets, or just start a pile on the ground. Build your pile in layers like lasagna. Start with browns, twigs, cardboard, then greens, kitchen scraps, grass, then more browns. Alternate wet and dry materials, but don't stress about perfect measurements. Keep the pile damp like a wrung-out sponge. If it's too dry, add water. If too wet, add more browns. Cover your pile with a tarp, old carpet, or wood to protect it from rain and sun. Once started, just keep adding scraps and a handful of browns on top. No turning, no mixing, just let it be. Cover after each addition to prevent smells and flies. Nature does the rest. This is truly the lazy method. Your only job: add scraps, cover, and walk away. Over time, your pile will shrink and darken. You'll be amazed at how easy it is. Composting doesn't get simpler than this. Let time and nature do the work. What happens after you walk away? Nature gets to work. Millions of microbes, bacteria, and fungi start breaking down your scraps. Earthworms and insects join in, tunneling and eating, helping air move through the pile. They do the turning for you, slowly and naturally. This is a cold, passive process, slower than hot composting, but effortless. It might take 6 months to a year, but patience is your only tool. Just keep adding scraps and let the ecosystem inside your pile do its job. No need to worry about science or perfect balance. The slow process means fewer problems and less smell. Your pile becomes a living system, quietly making the best food for your garden. All you need is patience. Let nature's crew work for you. How do you know your compost is ready? It's dark, crumbly, and smells like fresh earth. You won't recognize the original scraps, just rich, soil-like material. Use it as a top dressing. Spread a thin layer around your plants, vegetables, or trees. Rain will wash nutrients down to the roots, feeding your garden all season. Or, mix compost into the soil when planting something new for a healthy start. Compost helps soil hold water and feeds plants slowly. You've turned waste into a valuable resource. Anyone can do this, no strength or extra time required, just a small space, your scraps, and patience. Let nature do the work, and enjoy a healthier garden. Try lazy composting. Your plants and the planet will thank you.